We talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going, when you click in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down. So then you come here to enhance it security here, click in this sign like you see. So just click on it, and here you select if you want to text or check text from your number phone or your email. Then you click here on send a code, then it's going to send with you. So then automatically when you add your code, it's going to enable with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking